Bananas in smoothies. It seems like a match made in heaven. I don't know about you, but if I'm making a smoothie or buying a smoothie, I want banana in it. But some recent research from the University of California may actually make you think again. So first of all, I want to explain some science. Don't worry, once I've done the science, I'll explain to you what that means in practical terms so that you don't actually need to remember the science, but I still want to explain it to you so you understand why I'm saying don't put bananas in smoothies if you've got berries in it. Many fruit and veggies are high in a substance called flavonols. They're not vitamins, they're not minerals, they're not fatty acids, they're none of those things, but they help support your health, particularly cardio health and your brain health. The US Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics recommends that you have 400 to 600 milligrams of flavonols a day. So how do you get flavonols? Well, a lot of fruit contains flavonols, particularly berries. You probably already know that berries are really important for our good health. And at least part of the reason for that is because they contain flavonols. Okay, so if you put your berries in your smoothie, then you're getting lots of flavonols. So far, so good. But what happens if you add a banana? And this is what the researchers from the University of California, Davis, actually did. They found that people have absorbed fewer flavonols from their smoothie when it had banana in it. So why is that? Bananas have high levels of polyphenol oxidase, and that interferes with your body's ability to absorb the flavonols from the berries. So if you've got banana with high polyphenol oxidase and berries with high flavonols, you're not getting the true benefit from the berries because you can't absorb all the flavonols. So the solution is really simple. You can still have bananas, but just don't have them with berries. So don't have them in a smoothie with berries. If you're making yourself some sort of fruit salad with lots of fresh fruit in it, if you've got berries in it, don't add a banana. So eat the banana at another time, and then you will get the maximum amount of flavonols from your smoothie or from your fruit salad. The researchers advise that instead of using banana, use pineapple, orange, or mango. That way, you'll still get your flavonols from the berries. So, simple advice, keep your bananas and your berries away from each other.